Facebook Big Brother UK and follow the links. There's a minimum Facebook credit purchase of £1. One vote on Facebook will cost no more than 7p. For full terms, channel5.com/bbvote. Voting closes in Friday's eviction show. Turn over 5-star now for a bit on the side, where Emma's joined by Brian Dowling and Gillian McKee.
Welcome to Florida. It looks a bit silly, but I actually really enjoy it. One dog jumps about sort of 15 feet.
You know something a little weird?
This is definitely not a good idea. Paul Merton's Adventures in Florida. 9 o'clock Wednesday.